Ani joto takuk tei bukuk song. Haino hailam sogonorno brain trainer Tripura channel. Tini ni o video ungka airport job ni bagui. Airport sini job location ka Agartala ni bagui no. Agartala o Agartala ni bagui no o je job notification Indigo ni. Ga tabuk airport o job telangi tongo amoni position ka job description ID officer customer service RAM security ni ora rijak. Ga noro nuka job location Agartala Indigo airport ni airport Indigo ni bagui ta. Ga ke tam document no nangnai bahai ke apply khlainai ang no sa khnar nora video pa sak nai tongdi. Naidi tam sikya it is mandatory to apply online and share the application code during the time of interview. Nora online application ma khaini mo online registration khai form fill up ma khlainai amon pore nongni application code interview for share ma khainai. Amon bagai interview ngai ta ga mandatory document tam nang both original and photocopy CV kaisa sramit tilang di CV rok nangnai interview pro PAN card nangnai Aadhaar card nangnai passport nangnai te educational qualification naroni 10 pass ni 12 pass ni graduate mark sheet certificate and all further qualification je tongmani naroni experience rok tonga experience tlang di experience certificate and salary detail rok noragi rok khlai tongo ka ani jaga rok experience detail butlang dita eligibility criteria kan airport o airport job mana ni bagai je position tam nang graduate from a recognized board as determined by Indigo. Graduate nangnai graduation ni bagai ta post kai desirable skill good communication skill airport ko job khlainai ke ta abo norok jotono saimana communication skill blain kaham na customer service ro customer bai kok sana ni ro kai joto bai no ta kai airport ko blaina communication skill kaham mahai borok nayo borok te operational experience prefer experience grang ta borok te bona preference nai haita gangkai visible to buska nugjak peto gunang rok gangkai borok select khaigla ra ama haini sawarang kai rirok sadok fit ki jumui nai mane tetro jate nugya tei nugjak tu ya te visible ya te ni sauta can interview candidates can reapply after 6 months porte hai au candidate ya kai reapply khlai mano ni busuyara kai amon porte tam sika mandatory requirement for customer service nomita mandatory requirement good communication skill the pleasing personality na kaisa borna pleasing khainani personality ama hai bini sago tongnani nangnai ta quality kaham tongna nangnai ta te kaham ko rok saimana nangnai for RAM ni ba ke mo bahai na weather condition rong ba sina nangnai place of work can either be in the terminal jaga hai ka apron jaga panangai mano ne orosio B C for security bo hai no naidi bini bong ni requirement tam tonana boza angnai bo place khlaini ra educational requirement for fresher on bagai kono experience nangya for customer service no graduation for no graduation joton bagai na graduation security basis graduate nango o Indigo o airport ni bagai job location ka Agartala angno saka experience ganang bo remote experience gribo remote experience gram bagai morok experience romo sanara saniable pressure bori mana experience ganang bori mana ta kai job description customer service rong ni naidi na ko naidi kai apply khlaina ning ka kai na ro ang description link ribona a jaga thangai na ro click khaina direct apply bo khlai mano notification te se pori bo mano tam khai ang no te kise kok nang mani kok sawana paina ni sekang abong kha khanadi iko amo kaham khanadi please note nisijak these recruitment drives are being organized and handled by authority recruitment partner of Indigo amo je organize khaina je drive khaina recruitment drive boroni authority ni khayo recruitment partner of Indigo no neither Indigo ni kono third party krei bolte oino kono third party krei or jagao fraud scam robo blaikena airport ro job ninkai ingo ani bagai borok no ta mahke note khairo bor sawi ro je kono airport ni hoite call khaine rang sanya fees sanya interview ni bagai mahai enrollment fees rok ni sanya hene aro borok suiru ga so je apply khlaine rok o video naitone rok angdor sawo kun dina phone authority rok borok rang sania suk nangnai 5,000 nangnai 1200 nangnai 1000 nangnai tikina bagui fee ni bagui hinui rogo hingke kono dino phano tari di amo jotono fraud mangsi je rang sannai rok hingkai kono khlainai apply online khlainai khlaimani pore interview ni bagui call khlaijaknai sini o Agartala Airport o phano wngui mano top Tripura ni o Agartala o wngnai interview ni bagui ringjak mano ba SMS faimani email khlai mano norok no tobo rang kai call khai sania gam sungna friends norok amono sotorka tongni tei graduate hingkai nini speaking knowledge rok English Hindi Bengali rok kaham kai mano hingka kai interview kaham kai ready hingkai airport o job mankha belai kaham airport o ba kaham no belai tei asukno tini bagui tei norok ang video no chajagan hinkha kaio chajak kha hingkai friend rok saimono like khainai tei share khai di tei subscribe khainai tapuk asukno friends norok malphilai next video o asukno tini bagui hambai.